In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up a DNS server in ThinkSystem System Manager. This allows you to resolve fully qualified domain names for your controllers in a domain name system server. Before you begin, make sure you already have a DNS server up and running on your network. First, log into ThinkSystem System Manager. On the left menu, click Hardware. Then, click on Controllers and Components. Choose one of the controllers and select Configure DNS Server. When the Configure DNS Server dialog box appears, select how you want to configure the DNS server. You can either have the system automatically obtain the DNS server from a DHCP server, or you can manually enter the DNS server address. After making your selection, click Save. You'll see a quick success message confirming everything is set up. If you have another controller, you can easily apply these same settings to it from here. To verify your setup, return to the controller, click View Settings, and hit the DNS NTP tab to ensure everything is configured correctly. Your DNS server is now set up and ready to use.